thank you so much, Saurabh, for joining us in here and giving us your time to just share your experiences about your entire MBA journey, applications journey. And first of all, congratulations for getting on to the program, MBA program in IIM Ahmedabad. Congratulations to you. And I hope you're really over the moon for the same, right?
Thank you. Not over the moon, but yes, I am very excited.
So to begin with, just tell us about yourself, Saurabh, so that everyone knows your educational background and your work experience.
I am an engineer by profession, and I worked in a private company first. It was a power plant, and thereafter I worked in BHEL, and it has been around 10 years since I've been working in BHEL, mostly in the commercial function.
Okay, that's nice. So how did the thought of the IIM Ahmedabad happen? Like, which program did you get enrolled to?
It was not exactly the thought of IIM Ahmedabad. Basically, it was the idea of MBA. Okay. Once I got in touch with the mentor at Crackverbal, I thought of an Ahmedabad PGPX program was over then. And he was very helpful in guiding me the kind of pedagogies that is followed at Ahmedabad. So that is how I decided to apply for this course.
Okay.
And finally got through the admit of PGPX.
So how did you come across this Crackverbal? If you could share your association with us throughout your journey, like how did you come across and how did you get into the entire mentoring part and stuff like that?
I had started the preparation of GMAT early last December. Basically, my problem was with verbal section. I was confident about my quant, but not with verbal. And this friend of mine told me that you can consult Arun. He's very helpful. That is how I came across Crackverbal.
How did you find the entire process? How important do you think is a mentor when it comes to applications?
Very important, I think. Since they have already been through that process, so they can guide us properly. I had many stories with me, but I did not know which one to choose and how to put it correctly.
Absolutely.
That's when the mentor, Ajay sir, he really helped me. Ajay really helped me. He told me which stories to finalize and how to put it in properly in the essay. So yes, I do think the role of a mentor is very important in the application.
And in terms of the research of this program, definitely when the thought of MBA came into your mind, and then definitely you might have put some research as to which program do you want to choose. Did you at all get in touch with the admissions committee, and what kind of research did you do to get a clarity on this program? Definitely when you are getting onto program, you need to have certain clarity in your mind, how much time, how much money you invest. So what kind of research did you do for the same?
First of all, I went to the website of IIM Ahmedabad, and they had planned out many webinars, and I took the first one itself, the process of PGPX, and there 3 professors from Ahmedabad conducted that webinar, and it was very helpful. They were guiding us what kind of classes are done and what kind of discussions they carry out during the entire day. And yes, I really found it very exciting. So, and fortunately, my mentor as well was a pass out from alumni from Ahmedabad only. And he also guided me. So that is how I researched through the program.
Okay. And how was the interview process by the admission committee? Did the mentoring help in also being mentally prepared for the same? So if you could just share your experience of your interview day, how it started and how it went through, what was the panel consisting, how many members were consisting in the panel, and what was the experience that you had, and did Crackverbal also help you mentally prepare for the same?
Yes, the panel consisted of 2 professors, and they were very friendly. First of all, they wanted to have a discussion, proper discussion. It didn't feel like an interview. It rather felt like a discussion, first of all. And the kind of questions that they were asking initially, it was an extempore through which they started the discussion, and thereafter they came into the general MBA questions. So yes, Crackverbal had already told me about that these kinds of questions can be asked, and so I had taken the interview package as well, and fortunately that mentor as well was an alumni of Ahmedabad. So yes, he did guide me to the kind of answers that I should prepare.
Absolutely.
And it was very motivating. And I had my second interview with Shrikala.
Okay.
She was also very motivating. Sometimes I was fidgeting, and she told me about my body language as well. That I should be doing this properly, and maybe the kinds of answers that I'm giving, so I can structure them properly. So that really helped me. And she was very motivated, and she told me not to get nervous about the interview.
That's really nice. Good to know that. So what is that you would want to share with the other aspirants out there about the entire journey? Any tips that you would want to share to the people who are as aspirants as you were before? So if you could just share a word of advice or wisdom.
Yes, I have some small tips. Just because I've been through the process, not as an expert, that I have a family actually. I have a daughter as well. So I had to manage my time for my office and as well as for my family. So it is important to have a proper discussion with your family first that you are going to go through this journey, and that takes a lot of preparation. Every hour I used to give at least 2 hours, and that is very important so that I just do not get lost through the process. So every day I was giving such kind of effort, and that is very important. And most of all, that this effort really would pay off. I had not thought of Ahmedabad. That has been a dream come true. But just I would say that keep going through the process with giving your 100% fully. And I am hopeful that everyone would land up well. As I would say that I have been fortunate enough to get this opportunity for this admit. Yes, I think hard work and a regular hard work would really help.
Consistent.
And definitely, that has helped me a lot to all my doubts.
And I wish you all the good luck and best wishes for your future endeavors as well.